Dang, buddy, I need you to start the vlog.
That's a lot of words real fast.
You got this,
I don't know.
You got this, go. What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. Everybody say hi. Say hi, Chris.
Hi.
Hi, Chris.
Hi.
Hi, Derek.
Hi,
hello. Oh my God, you guys are already moving stuff?
Dude, we're here. We're set up.
Jeez.
We're in.
All right, I mean, I guess this is your shop now. You guys pay rent here? Holy, you guys aren't joking around. Oh my goodness. All right, we're gonna get what's going on with all this here in a minute, but
more importantly.
Oh my God, hold on. I just got, this is an outfit, dude.
What do you say?
Good Lord. Woo.
See, I need to cut mine like that.
These are brand new Crocs, by the way.
Ooh.
Oh, you fancy.
Flexing on us.
Yeah, you fancy.
These are, you know, new.
My other ones, they don't even look camo anymore, so.
Hell yeah.
Well, you gotta have a fresh pair of Crocs at all times, yeah.
Freshen it up for the 4th of July.
Oh, and we got the flatbed we've all been waiting to see.
It's obviously not done. I still got a bunch of grinding, finishing some slag I gotta knock off. But as you can see, since the last time y'all saw, I recessed the license plate already.
Looks
I
good,
even
dude.
cut out my 2 holes right here and here for my new lights that are gonna pop in. I haven't put them in because there's no point putting them in to pull them back out.
Right.
Only somewhat legal. Threw in the brake lights just to make it here.
And look at that headache rack.
Yeah, so there it is. That's what I ended up going with. I didn't think I was gonna put this angle in, but with it going just straight across, the horns would have stuck up too high, and then it would have just looked weird. So I kind of just freeballed it.
Isn't the reason for the horns to hold your stuff from sliding sideways? But now when it's like that.
Listen, all right. I like the way it looked.
All right.
I went with
it. All right.
And that's all that matters.
That's all that matters.
So here's the fill. This is what I ended up doing.
You did it in the bed?
Yeah, I did it in the bed because the issue is where the tank's at. There's no way to have done it on the side. So I did it with this, and then what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna end up doing tabs eventually with just like a little cover that sits down, and then when you're ready, you just put your finger and pull it up, and it's gonna swing out.
Gotcha.
And then this is gonna be good for now.
All right, so who's gonna explain what's going on here?
I think Steiner should explain it, but you know, we got a couple guys on the channel that are big into the lifting. You know, Brian and Steiner, and then Steiner kind of took me under his wing. I'm gonna get in shape here, and hey, y'all keep laughing, but we won't be laughing later. So anyway, Chris, being Chris, always thinks he can just fucking lift whatever everybody else can, but he made a bet, and we're gonna see if he can do it, and so he doesn't feel singled out. We're all gonna compete in a little lift off.
So they wanted to surprise Chris and just drop a whole weight set in the shop to call him out on him saying he's gonna deadlift more than anybody else or equivalent to what everybody else can deadlift. So there we go.
Well, I didn't say I could deadlift.
You said 600 pounds.
I said I could deadlift more than Wes. So
You said like 500 or 600 pounds. The point is, he said like 500 pounds. We all kind of was like, yeah, okay, he's just being cocky. But today's the day we're gonna find out who's strong and who's not, or who's stronger.
Yeah.
Ryan's gonna get in there too.
Yeah, right.
Ryan's gonna be through.
Let me get my 135 over with. I got a pinched nerve in my shoulder. Let me just get it over with.
yeah, I put 100 on Ryan.
Hey, make sure we get this shirt on.
What do we got? What do we got?
Pioneer
powerlifting.
Hook it up.
Apparently we're turning into a gym over here. What do we got? Seeing, we got more weights in the Jeep. Look, dang, we got the belts. We got everything. Good Lord. Y'all ain't messing around. I'm glad I ain't over here ego talking. Chris, you getting nervous, buddy?
Is all this combined?
Yeah, how much weight are we gonna have?
How much fucking weight we got going on right here?
There should be over 600 pounds. We should be right at.
Hold on, let's see you do 135, Chris.
I can't do that.
135.
Brian, we need a spot.
Hit it.
Oh, damn, you're bringing even those?
Is he crap one?
Let's see 135. Dude, you can do 135.
You beat Brian in arm wrestling. You can easily bench that shit.
You got this, buddy.
You should at least put your hands even on the bar.
No, you gotta unparalleled parking. Steiner wants to drive. Yeah. Nah, leave your truck there, Chris. What could go wrong, buddy?
A lot. You should probably move it. I ain't drove stick in a couple months. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if that's 3 or R.
Well, what's it say on the freaking thing?
R, but I don't know how far over it goes.
I want to see a burnout right off the line.
I'm calling it right now. She's got about how good 4 burnouts left before I snap that rear U joint. I was under it the other day. I hit my knee on it. You hear clunk, 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 clunk. I was like, uh-oh.
Yo, those brakes brakes are a little touchy.
No, you can't. The whole rear end just starts bouncing around.
You slam on the brakes. You ease into it.
Gentle, you gotta caress
If a car
her.
stops in front of you? What you gonna do if a car stops in front of you? You're gonna bounce right into him.
Oh, geez. All right. So we got our chart over here. Everybody's getting weighed in right now. They're going pound for pound. Wes got to make sure everything's perfectly zeroed in.
This thing's
Right,
off.
we need to get-
scales at
We need to get the
210.
cardboard that goes around him so he can get naked.
SC Bailey 619, buddy, you're up. Why you hanging off in the shadows, man? This whole thing was for you.
Yeah, Chris, we're all here for you, bud.
That's 20, barely 202. So what are we gonna do? What are we doing? Squat, bench, deadlift, or
Squat bench dead.
squat, bench, deadlift? All right. Oh, dude, look at this guy. He brought his whole gear bag.
I got my
Cheating,
old
dude.
man knees.
Oh, even Wes. This is the first time we've seen Wes with closed-toe shoes.
Offer up deal this morning.
Oh yeah, did you go bust?
Yeah, I've had these for like a year and I've only worn them like 3 times.
offer up deal this morning just for this.
Chris, get in there, buddy. Come on, Chris, get in there, buddy.
I need a squat. I need a what is it called? Someone helps you.
A spotter.
I got you. You saying squatter?
We're in trouble here. Are we doing some yoga?
Just opening up my groin.
Get on the side.
Yeah, that's my mat.
2 plates?
All right, so everybody's warmed up. We're good. Everybody good. We're going. We're going. So like, no joke for everybody watching. I haven't like 5 minutes ago was the first time I ever squatted in my life. I mean, you can tell by looking at my legs, but this could go bad.
Keep going. There you go.
Come on.
All right, we did it.
You gotta step away from it a little more because he hit.
Yeah, you saw my technique, right, everybody? You saw my technique. That's how you guys got to do it. Yeah, step back a little bit, Chris. There you go.
Right there, right there.
Oh, you got this,
Slow
bro.
it down. Goddamn.
Easy.
Your butt's supposed to hit the ground, not your face. Yeah.
Listen, we don't squat. We don't got no technique for this, all right?
Get in
all
there.
right.
Go for it. You said you wanted to.
Let's see it.
I'm gonna
Go for it.
Let's
see if
see
you can
it.
do it.
I can't.
You got it, Spencer. You got it.
Have you ever driven stick?
Yeah, I have.
Okay.
Like 4 years ago. No, you touched it. It's over there.
No. All right, reach.
Oh, you can come close now. You're good. Oh, you got it. Is that Granny? Oh, I think that was Granny.
That was my head on
Gotta
that.
go up and to the right. Up and to the right.
Dude, I know why they call it a headache right now. I just smacked my head into it. Oh, jeez. All right.
Are we gonna lose them?
Yeah.
I like this better when it had a real bed on it. I felt a little safer.
You had something to bounce off of.
All right, easy on the brakes. All right.
Okay, you found second.
I was bracing for Granny on that one.
Brace.
Yeah, I know, just in case. Slow. You got someone else.
I know, I'm trying.
Oh, clutch it. Clutch all the way. Your clutch is not working.
Oh, I don't it.
It's all right. It's all right. Yeah, getting off the step trap. Dude, there's so much gas leaking out. There's no top on the gas tank right now until he gets this whole filler neck hooked up, but look at all the gas just pouring out. Oh, now they're doing a burnout. Go. Oh my god, dude, there's so much gas pouring out. Is there? Holy shit.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's like $6 right now.
Oh, I can smell it.
Dude, I can smell it. Every time I stop, it just puddles coming out. Yeah, I'm definitely glad I got off. Wes, that thing gonna fit on you, buddy? Suck it in, buddy.
He tried it the other day. He made sure.
All right.
He made sure before he tried this.
200. I got you, Grace. Get it on there, buddy.
Like, is it supposed to be loose?
No.
No, it's supposed to
You're up, man. 200. You got this, buddy.
It's your turn.
No, wait, I hit my body weight. That's all I got. Sniff the whole dang thing, bro. Just sniff the whole box. I'm gonna step on it and crack all of them. Here, you need one of these.
What is it?
Just sniff it.
Really?
Yeah.
Sniff it, yeah.
Crack it. Here, I don't know how to do it.
No.
Here you go.
No.
You got this, buddy.
Come on. Close. No. I'm done.
You know, you get at least, we know you hit your 275 goal
Go
there.
back down to 200 for Chris though, because he attempted 225 and didn't quite get it.
Oh, all right.
So we will have to revisit 200 for I'm gonna be able to exert every bit of force I have.
What do you think, buddy?
What do I think?
Yeah.
I need to go to the gym.
You got this?
Nope.
What is this? I don't even know what this is.
315.
315? Ah, dude, you got this.
Come on. Up, let's go.
There you go, buddy.
Easy.
Come on.
Easy way.
Go.
330.
335? All right, we'll give you 335.
So we all exceeded our weights.
Damn, I'm just glad I'm down here, you know? It's just big numbers down there. Big numbers down there.
My goal was
200.
200.
Was it?
Yeah.
We put 225 and you got a little carried away with it. You
Five
must be
loose.
strong.
Oh, jeez, dude, easy. I don't think we got enough weight for you.
Are we over 100 over body weight yet?
That was it.
Okay.
We gotta get you in for 200.
I'm good.
You got 200.
I got.
There's 200 in them legs,
He's
man.
gotta save his back for deadlifts. He can't risk it.
Oh, that's right. No. Honestly, I say don't even do this. Chris's event is deadlifts. Let's let him save himself for deadlifts.
This is the trick. The two strongest guys here.
Yeah, back up, dude.
Oh, you're one of the strongest guys?
That's how you get strong.
Gee, apparently I've been making fun of vape this whole time for the wrong reasons, dude.
It's not nicotine, it's trend.
Yeah, this is the juice they've been talking about.
Oh, gotcha. All right. All right. We got Wes warming up. Next competition, we're going to bench. I'm gonna get mine out of the way, you know.
You gotta touch chest.
All right.
Touch chest.
I thought you were supposed to say up.
Press.
A whole gym.
Come on.
What's up?
Easily get 205.
I know my shoulders don't like bench press though when they lock together. All right, Chris, you're up, buddy.
No,
Come on, Chris, you're up.
no, I'm not doing this one.
That's what I was at in college, but I was at 275.
Come on.
Bro, he's got 225.
I don't know, boys. I don't know. So on the scoreboard for every event that somebody opts out, they get a self-explanatory what they get there. You got it. Oh. There you go.
All right,
That's my next.
Come on. Up.
Easy. Oh, yo, you're going for more than that, buddy.
Come on, get it up. Let's go.
Press that shit.
Oh, jeez. Could have done that for 10.
Let's go. How are you?
Yo, your butt's higher than the bar.
Hey, it went down.
You can't bring your chest to the bar. That's cheating.
He never unwraps. He just. That's one.
Yeah, what's your deadlift?
600, right?
400.
You said 6, right?
400.
Put him down.
It's
400.
written on.
400.
You have to at least attempt it.
Wait, you said hold on.
I put 405.
Wait, you said you were outlifting me. So.
No,
he said you.
Yeah, he said he was gonna outlift Wes.
That makes no sense. Yet I know you can
don't know.
deadlift me. So.
I've never deadlifted a day in my life. Have you? I've also never squatted a day in my life till today. Whose back's gonna blow out first? Yours going out? All right.
Get the same grip. Step forward into the bar.
Bend your knees, bro. You're all back right there.
No, you almost drag it up your shanks. No, put your butt down. Hey, put 200 pounds on it right now.
Oh, well, you got 400.
Okay, might as well put the 400 and let him pull, because he ready.
Oh, easy, bro.
You're tall, so we're not expecting you to be like this. You have no left.
That felt like 320. It ain't lying. Come on, Chris!
Hey, go. That's heavy. That's heavy.
Whatever that 4 hundo, 5 hundo, 6 hundo.
I lied.
Needs motivation.
See, all right, so far I think I'm in the 1,000-pound club. Yep, we're good, we're good, we're good.
Hey, there's someone touching your truck. Lift that shit. Come on!
Come on, pull, hit.
Breathe, baby.
Nice.
Hell yeah.
Oh, hits like fuck.
That was a hit.
Yeah. Everybody in the comments is gonna be like, yeah, these guys didn't get out of bed the next day.
They're right. I will.
All right, so we've got our totals up over here. I'm gonna let you guys pause that and look if you really care to even look at the totals. Steiner, he wants to make sure he sets the record right now, so he wasn't gonna squat, but now he's gonna participate in the squat, which means we might lose this little thing there. All right, Chris, you know, since me and you were the heaviest lifters,
Yeah.
hey, you wanna spice this party up a little bit? I got some Roman candles in the truck. You think what I'm thinking? All right, so Dedek's truck is leaking gas everywhere. Don't shoot it at Dedek's truck, it'll blow up.
Boy, you better stop.
Workout equipment done, and that game's over with. So now we're backing in the flatbed. Tomorrow we're gonna pull the flatbed off, finishing the welds on it, and the entire thing is getting wrapper lined. She's running a little rich. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that you do not miss out on any future content. And don't forget to give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforitapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. Those trucks are really close together. I'm out.
Damn. Yeah.